Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. This video is going to be about the car dealership OS. This is a Notion template for car dealers who wants to manage their businesses using Notion. So as always, let's start with the dashboard. Our dashboard contains available inventory, list of your cars with photos shown as a gallery view. Here you have the name of your car, the price, the year, the status, and the mileage. Also, you can have a list of all your vehicles as a table view and an inventory status board. Next, you have active pipeline. Here you can have all your customers, and this is the status of your customers. So either they can be new customers contacted, they have a test drive, negotiation status, or lost. Or you can group them by table view, and you can see them like this, or a calendar view by last contact. This is the last time you have contacted them. Next, you have your top performers. Here, there is your teams and sale people, and here they are grouped by who made the most sales this month. And as you can see here, there is this team member who has the most total sale volumes this month, of course. And this is their commission rate and the deal closed. Also, you can have all your team as a table view, add their images or this month's sales, stuff like that. Next, you have your month expenses. Here I have grouped them by category. So you can have your expenses as of marketing, for example, overhead, utilities, and here you can say the title, uh, the date, the amount, etc. Also as a table view to see all your expenses, and the calendar view to see also your monthly expenses. Here you have your monthly sales. So I have only here I only have the deals that are in progress and completed, uh, and uh, and this month sales, of course. So you only see this month sales in this in this table view, uh, and here you'll have a sum of your final prices. Also, you'll have deal status where you can drag and drop like you like from negotiating to pending, and you'll have a sales calendar, for example, for the deals that you have or the cars that you have already sold. You will see here. Now, if we go back, you have a small button for adding a vehicle. You can try it. You can add a vehicle like this, add the photos. Uh, let's say, for example, a and you'll see it in here. And you can come and add the make, the photos, and the model, or you can just add it from here, just like this. So this is for the button. So let's delete these for now. And now we have our navigation. Here you have your auto hub, where you have your vehicles, your acquisitions, your reconditioning, leads, and sales. Next, you have your operation hub, where you have your customers, your suppliers, your team, your documents, your business expenses, and your marketing campaigns. So let's start with the vehicle inventory. Here, as we have seen in the dashboard, you will have all your vehicles stored with photos and with relations with all other stuff. For example, you can link your vehicle to other acquisitions or to reconditioning tasks, to leads, to sales, and to documents. And you can see your vehicles status, so you can drag and drop them from in stock to reconditioning and stuff like that. And here you have your gallery view for the photos of your vehicles. Now, if we want to go back, we click all above here and we go back. Next, we have our acquisitions. Same for the others views. You can see a table view and all the linked stuff with the acquisitions, like the cars. And you can see a drag and drop for by source. So this is a board view by source where you can drag and drop from initiation to pending and completed acquisitions. And you'll have a calendar view to see as dates. Now let's go back. We'll have our reconditioning. Here, a table view for reconditioning with your status, your priorities, also linked to suppliers and vehicles. And you'll have your status of reconditioning, and you have a calendar of reconditioning. Now let's go back to our leads. Here you'll have all your leads, and you have the status of leads, so either new or contacted. And you have your leads linked to interested vehicles, to salesperson, linked to someone who's assigned to sell them, and the marketing campaigns for these, where did they come from. And next, you'll have your pipeline, where you can drag and drop from new lead to contacted, etc., like we have said before, and the calendar view for your leads. Next, you'll have your sales. Here you can see a list of all your sales. Here they are sorted with the highest final sale price. And you have a board view by payment method, and you have a calendar view for sales. Next, if we go back to Operation Hub, we have our customers. Here, a list of all your customers. And you can have also a customer's card to just define them easily rather than actually writing everything on a table. So let's go back to our suppliers. Here we have a list of all our suppliers where we buy cars from, and you can link them to acquisitions and to reconditioning jobs. Also, you have your suppliers by type, so either auctions or mechanics or parts, and you can add more if you like. Also, you have team and salespeople, all a list of all your team and their linked lead or their linked deals. Also, you can have a photo for your salespeople. Here they are sorted by total sales volume, and you can have your team by role, so either admin, owner, sales, etc. And if we go back one more time, here you have your documents. You can store your documents, link them to vehicles, to sales, to acquisitions, and you can have your documents by type. So you can drag and drop all you like from all these fields, of course, employment, financial, insurance, legal. And before our final database, we have the business expenses. Here you can add all your business expenses, and you can see all your expenses on this table view. And you can drag and drop by category from marketing expenses, overhead, utilities, like we have said in the dashboard. And you have a calendar view for your business expenses. Now, our last database is going to be the marketing campaigns. Here you can have all your campaigns as a table view to track your campaigns. And you can have a campaign board for campaigns to do, in progress, and complete. And that was our car dealership OS. And one more time, I'll show you the dashboard. So this is our dashboard. Of course, we can work on a customized templates for you. If you need anything specific for your business, you can contact us either at the emails or at my threads, and we can work for your specific business needs. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.